If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Page transitions in Acrobat let you add dynamic page animations that appear when a user advances to a page in a PDF if viewing it in full screen mode. This can help if designing a PDF for an audiovisual presentation. To add page transitions to a PDF in Acrobat, first open the multi-page PDF to which to apply the page transitions. Then, click the Pages button in the navigation pane to show the Pages panel. Then select the page thumbnails to which to apply page transitions. Then, click the Options button in the upper right corner of the Pages panel and select the Page Transitions command to open the Page Transitions dialog box. Select the page transition animation from the Transition dropdown. To adjust its direction and/or speed, select choices from the Direction and/or Speed dropdowns if available for the selected transition animation. To automatically advance the selected pages of the PDF after a specified duration of time elapses, check the Auto Flip checkbox. If you check this checkbox, then use the After X Seconds dropdown to select the number of seconds to pause between each page transition. If you do not check this checkbox, the pages transition when a user either clicks the mouse button or uses the keyboard arrow keys. To designate to which pages to apply the current page transition effect, use the settings in the Page Range section of this dialog box. Choosing the thumbnails beforehand in the Pages panel of the navigation pane sets the Pages Selected in Pages panel option button choice. Alternatively, you can also choose All Pages in Document or Pages Range. If you select Pages Range, then enter the page range into the From and To fields. To finish and apply the page transitions, click the OK button in the Page Transitions dialog box. Also, note that some users may adjust their full screen settings to ignore screen transitions and therefore will not see them during a presentation. If you are presenting a PDF which you know has screen transitions, but the transitions do not appear, try adjusting the full screen settings of the computer. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.